Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to join vertex. As example, I will insert again for cube object, click add, go to mesh and click a cube. I'll move to this green axis. Now you can join these two objects. Select the two objects, right click and choose join. The next we can go to edit mode. And then if you want to join vertex, you can click this vertex selection. Like I will click this vertex into vertex. After it, you can right click and then you can use merge vertex. I will set into center to be moved into center. The other option you also can add again, like I will click at this vertex with this vertex. Right click. And now you can set like into at the last. Okay, we select again this vertex into here. Right click, merge vertex, and add. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to join vertex. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.